Are you looking for the best candle? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best candle on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Candles. The Coppery Blue Volcano 19 ounce is a large physical presence with a subdued fragrance. Its wide base and blue glass jar give it a distinctive aesthetic, and its metallic silver lid completes the look. It could stand as the centerpiece on a coffee or dining room table. The smell isn't overpowering, and we appreciate how evenly it diffuses throughout a room. The base of this candle is quite wide, and the lid isn't securely attached, it just rests on top. We love the coppery blue candle and wouldn't hesitate to keep a couple around the house. Burn time, 85 hours. Dimensions, 5 base x 4 height. Number 2. Ideal for everyday use. It comes in a decagonal glass jam jar with a screw-top metal lid, which our testers found aesthetically pleasing. This soy wax option is compact enough to fit comfortably on a kitchen counter or deep windowsill, and its fragrance is potent and clean, which is surprising due to its small size. The smaller size means the burn time isn't terribly long relative to other models we tested. Also, it's not super versatile. The primary purpose particularly gears toward cleanness, as opposed to using it to relax after a long day, and it really does feel like it's designed to exist in a kitchen. However, if you are looking for a candle to burn daily and leave behind a wipe down the counter's clean scent, this is your best bet. Burn time, 25 hours. Dimensions, 2 3/8 space x 3 3/8 height. Number 3. Best to give as a gift. The Homesick scented candle is a fun gift idea for those who need a little reminder of home. You can select scents from all 50 states, cities, memories, or a handful of countries. The product itself comes in a smooth, cylindrical glass jar, reminiscent of a soda can. It is hand-poured in the USA and made from an all-natural soy wax blend, which creates only a small amount of smoke when extinguished. Of course, associating an entire state or country with a specific scent might not be relatable to everyone. If you hail from Iowa, for example, we hope you like cumin and eucalyptus. However, if you are looking to remind a friend, or yourself, of the best scents of home, then look no further. Burn time, 70 hours. Dimensions, 3 base x 5 3/8 height. Number 4. Another great option for a gift. This candle comes in a nice glass jar with alternating frosted and translucent vertical stripes. The fragrance is strong up close and diffuses gradually throughout a living room. It has a buttery wax and burns very cleanly, leaving little smoke that quickly dissipates when the flame is extinguished. Aside from the lofty price, our main concern is with the tapered shape of the jar. The base is much narrower than the top, so while we never managed to knock it over during testing, we still felt like there was a distinct possibility it could topple easily. Overall, this is a nice, simple option with a classic feel. Burn time, 55 hours. Dimensions, 2 3/8 space x 4 1/4. Number 5. Good simple option. The Lulu Candles Luxury Scented Soy Jar Candle is a compact product with a basic aesthetic. It comes with a black metal lid that fits securely around the top with a rubber gasket. It is made from vegan soy wax and is hand-poured in the USA. It belongs equally well on a mantle, in a living room, kitchen, or bedroom. It is an excellent option if you still want the warmth of candlelight without the object being the center of attention. We had no major gripes about this product, but there is nothing particularly special about it either. It has a relatively muted presence in all regards but is a nice option if you just need a candle. Burn time, 25 hours. Dimensions, 2 3/4 space x 2 3/4 height. Number 6. Has a classic look. The fragrance is strong within a few feet of the candle and diffuses rapidly outside of approximately 5 feet. Its cylindrical jar and bubble lid offer a unique take. It is the type of product that you would expect to see on an old fireplace mantle, but it could also stand as a centerpiece on a coffee table. The drawback is the wax is a little uneven and bubbly, suggesting it isn't the highest quality. As it burned, we noticed small streams of smoke wafted up into the air. Additionally, the distinctive lid shape is not for everyone. Those with modern decor may find the somewhat old-timey feel is out of place. Still, it is a nice option for a house with an Americana vibe. Burn time, 70 hours. Dimensions, 3 7/8 space x 5 1/4 height.